The 2025 Suzuki Access 125 continues to uphold its reputation as a reliable and efficient scooter in the 125cc segment. Powered by a 124cc, single-cylinder, air-cooled engine, it delivers 8.7 PS at 6,750 revolutions per minute and 10 Nm of torque at 5,500 revolutions per minute. This engine is paired with a continuously variable transmission CVT, ensuring smooth acceleration and a comfortable ride. In terms of design, the Access 125 receives subtle yet impactful updates. The headlight has been reshaped into an octagonal form, complemented by a chrome surround that enhances its premium appeal. The tail light is now divided into 3 sections, with distinct areas for turn indicators and brake light, contributing to a modern aesthetic. Additionally, Suzuki offers new color options, including solid ice green, pearl shiny beige, metallic matte stellar blue, pearl grace white, and metallic matte black No. 2, catering to a variety of stylistic preferences. The scooter's dimensions are thoughtfully designed for urban maneuverability and rider comfort. It measures 1,835 mm in length, 680 mm in width, and 1,155 mm in height, with a wheelbase of 1,260 mm. A ground clearance of 160 mm ensures adequate protection over uneven surfaces, while the curb weight stands at a manageable 105 kilograms. The fuel tank capacity has been increased to 5.3 liters, allowing for longer rides between refueling stops. Suzuki has enhanced the Access 125's feature set to align with modern rider expectations. The existing LCD console now includes additional functionalities such as WhatsApp and weather alerts, phone battery level indication, and distance to empty information. A new USB Type-C charging port has been integrated, along with 2 front pockets for convenient storage of mobile devices. The seat has been extended to provide increased comfort for both rider and passenger. As of February 2025, the Suzuki Access 125 is available in multiple variants, with prices starting at $81,700 for the base model and reaching up to $93,300 for the top-spec Ride Connect Edition X-Showroom, Delhi. These updates and features make the 2025 Suzuki Access 125 a compelling choice for those seeking a blend of performance, style, and modern amenities in a scooter.